This is Madhusudan, and today we are going to see that how we can increase the speed of our laptop or PC or the Windows 10. So guys, these are the steps which we are going to follow to speed up the computer or the operating system. First step that we are going to do is to set the system configuration. In that we are going to look at the options, that is boot and startup. The second, we are going to set the performance options so that we can increase the speed. And the third, we are going to see that how we can defragment the PC weekly or monthly frequency so that we can increase the speed. And at last, we are going to see that how we have to update the Windows Defender, that is the built-in antivirus system of Microsoft, so we can increase the speed, because it will also help you to increase the speed of your computer system. So let's look at the first thing, that system configuration. For this, all you need is nothing. Come onto the screen on the start button, right click here and go to the run. You can also get it directly by pressing Windows plus R button. Type here msconfig. Here in msconfig, all you need is to go to the boot tab. Here the default option you will get in your PC, that is 30 seconds. You can set it to 5 seconds. The second to 5 seconds. You can set it to 10 seconds as well according to your need, but for me it's 5 seconds are enough for the boot time out. And then come out to another tab, that is startup tab. On this tab you need to click on open task manager. Now it will be the list of all those programs that will start up when the Windows start and slow down the performance of your PC. Here you can see that it is showing the impact, the startup impact. All you need is nothing but to see that how many performance or how many programs that have a high impact on your PC. Right now I already disabled all the programs that can cause a high impact on the startup time on my PC. Now you can do the same. When you enable it, it will show you the impact on your PC. All you need is to disable them, right? Just disable all the programs that have a high impact on your PC, like I did right now. So this is the second way through which you can increase the speed of your computer, because all these programs are eating out your memory and that will slow down the performance of your PC. So all you need is to just look at all the programs that have a high impact on your computer system or the startup and just set them disable. Like if I can disable this program, all you need is to click disable, or you can enable it if you want to. Right, so this is the second way. We looked in the presentation as well that boot is the first and the startup is the second, right? And just press OK. Now it will ask you to restart your PC to get the effect of all these changes. So right now I'm just exit without restart. Now, the second thing we are going to see here is to set the performance options. So how can we set the performance options? Again, all you need is to click on Window button, and here you need to go to the system. Here in the system, you need to click on Advanced System Settings. Here in Advanced System Settings, all you need is nothing, but you have to look the performance accordion. Here in this performance accordion, you need to click on settings. When you click on settings, you will find a tab named visual effects. Actually it will be default to let Windows choose what best for my computer, but all you need is to select on adjust for best performance. Here the PC will nullify all these effects, but you have to select a few effects to look your computer good. And I select the thumbnail for the icons and shadow under the windows and something for fonts like smooth edges of screen fonts. That's it. And then you have to click on OK. Now you have to just go in and OK. So this is the system performance options that will increase the speed of your computer. And third, we are going to watch out how to defragment your PC. So to find the option of defragmentation, all you need is to go to the desktop and just click on the search taskbar here, and all you need is to search here defrag, F-R-A, and yes, here it is, defrag and optimize drives. Select it, and here is the options. All you need is to select the drive you need to defragment and click on optimize, or start consolidating finder. This is one of the way through which you can optimize your drives, and that will also somewhere gonna improve your speed of your computer as well as your operating system. Now we are going to look at one of the last options to update the Windows Defender, that is an inbuilt antivirus program of Windows. For this, again, you have to just click on Windows or press the window button and search here Windows Defender. Yes, here it is, and just Windows Defender, and just click on that. As it is saying that is out of date, you need to just click on update and wait when it will get updated. Wait till it will get updated. So guys, these are a few of the ways through which you can improve the performance of your operating system, specifically in Windows 10. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, share the video as much as you can, and also visit our website, that is www.madhusudhanmishra.cf. Thank you so much.